Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amelia G, and in today's video I'm going to show you all my epic fail of trying to finesse a manicure that really needed to just be taken off. So if you don't know, when you do a dip powder manicure, you can go back and do a fill-in once it's started to grow out. So I really didn't want to do a dip powder fill-in. I wanted to just do a gel polish refill. So here I am just taking off the gel coat, the top coat that was on my nails, and you don't have to use the e-file. You can definitely use a hand file. However, since I have one, I use it. So right now, like I said, I'm just taking off that shine, that top coat, so that I can get to filing it and taking away all of the lifting from it growing out. And like I said, I'm trying to finesse it, but I'm gonna let you guys see the epic fail of me doing my nails. Just keep watching. Alright guys, so right here is where I used my cuticle pusher and I attempted to push back my cuticles. It was a fail. And right here is where I'm picking out what color I want. This is probably the fun part of any manicure set. So I went on and chose the igel Beauty Mood Change gel polish. And as I applied the polish, I noticed that my filing skill was trash, and I just know it was because I was being lazy and I should have just taken more time into filing them down well enough, but I did not. So it was an epic fail, and I know you guys are probably like, it doesn't look bad at all, but it's pretty bad. But it was okay. I just wanted to finesse my way through it and finish and be over and done. And here's the end product. I know, it's okay. It's okay. So anyway, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.